to this tutorial in which we're gonna see how you can connect your Ontraport account to the Thrive Team's opt-in forms. We will be needing some API details for this connection to work, so first things first, I will log into my Ontraport account in order to get them. So here in my account, there's a dashboard, and what we're gonna do is click on this avatar icon and then click on administration. Now on this page, look for the integration section and select it. Here we're gonna have to click on this option, Ontraport API instructions and key manager. As you can see in this API key section, I already have one example key, but I'm going to be creating a new one for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on new API key, give it a name right here in the top left corner of the page. I'm going to select a key owner and then click save. Now, as simple as that, my new key has been added to the dashboard, and what I'm going to be needing from here is basically the API ID and the API key. So we're simply going to copy them and save them for later use. Now log into WordPress and head over to your Thrive dashboard. And on this page, look for API connections. Once found, click on Manage Connections. And now we will reach this page where we can add a new connection. As you can see, I already have some connections set up. And in order to add the new one, I'm simply going to click on Add New Connection from here, open the drop-down list, and then look for Ontraport within this list of integrations. I'll go ahead and select it. And now I can paste in the API details in the corresponding fields. So in the first field goes the application ID. And then in the second field, I'm going to paste my API key. Now I can go ahead and click on Connect. And as soon as the connection is ready and successful, I'm going to be seeing this notification, which says Ontraport connection ready. If you click on done, you will notice that the Ontraport connection card has appeared within your dashboard, and you can further test, edit, or remove the connection from these buttons. Moving forward to the next step, let's see how to connect Ontraport to a lead generation element. For that, you can open a page or post with Thrive Architect, depending where you want to create your connection. For this example, I'm going to open a page. After the page has loaded on your screen, simply click on the plus sign from the right sidebar right here and then look for the lead generation element. Once you find it, drag and drop it to your page to the desired location, then pick a template from the template library, and as simple as that, your lead generation element has been added to your page. At the same time, the main options of the element have appeared in the left sidebar, and you can start using them accordingly. We have a dedicated article about how to use the lead generation element, so make sure to check it out if you want to learn more. So the first thing to do here in the left sidebar options is to check whether the API connection button is selected. After that, you can proceed with clicking on Add Connection, open this drop-down list and select Ontraport. You next have the option of choosing to which campaign or sequence you want to add your subscriber once the form is submitted. Choose the option you want here depending on what you have already set up in your Ontraport account. I'm going to go ahead and select campaign right here, and as you can see, I've been prompted with a new drop-down list where I can select the actual campaign to which I want to add the new subscriber. I'm going to leave it as it is, click on apply, and my API connection has been successfully added. As you can see, you can next proceed with setting up the form fields for this connection. The fields that you add here will be visible within the actual form. Just add new ones if you want from this button, or just remove or edit the already existing ones. Furthermore, if you want, you can also decide what happens after the user subscribes. If you click on this field from here, you will be able to choose the action. So choose between redirecting the user to a custom URL or displaying a success notification. All these options are described in the lead generation article previously linked in this video. Once everything is configured, click on Save Work, and as simple as that, your connection is ready to be used. Now let's see how to create a connection between your Ontraport account and an opt-in form from Thrive Leads. So back in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Thrive dashboard right here and select Thrive Leads. In this window, look for the lead group that has the type of opt-in form you want to connect and click on it to view the full list. Now you can see that I have here a list with all the form types that I've added for this integration. So I'll go ahead and select the one on which I want to work on, and it's going to be this lightbox right here. And in order to access it, I'm going to click on Edit. This will take me to another list with all the lightbox types of forms. I only have one added here for this connection, but you can add multiple lightboxes if you want from this button. In order to start editing the lightbox, I'm going to click on Edit Design. The Thrive Architect editor will open. If you have previously chosen a template for your form, then you will be able to view it right here. However, if this is the first time you're accessing the lightbox, then you will be prompted with the template library where you can choose a template for your form. I have mine right here on the screen, and what I need to do next is to identify the lead generation element within this form, and to do that I will just hover over different parts of it. Once I find the lead generation element, I'm going to click it and the main options will appear instantly in the left sidebar. Now you might notice that the options are identical to the ones that I've already described for the lead generation element connection. You can simply add the connection from here and then further customize the form as you best see fit. These were the ways in which you can set up the Ontraport integration with one of your Thrive forms. I really hope you found this video useful and don't hesitate to check out the other tutorials available in our knowledge base.